Cookie. Today what I'm gonna do is a super easy, super quick, basic makeup look. No foundation is being used, and it's just a super quick look for if you're just running out, or if you're not going anywhere super special but you do want to have just like a clean look on your face. It's a pretty natural look. So if you're interested and you want to see what I did, keep watching.
Okay guys, so like I said, this tutorial is going to be super easy and anybody can do it. I started out with my eyebrows before I put anything else on my face. You can absolutely skip this part, but today I just felt like doing my eyebrows, so I gave them a little bit extra fill-in. If you don't need that, feel free to go ahead and skip forward. If you do, all I was doing was just tracing pretty much the bottom of my eyebrow of the shape that's already there, and then I do the same and I trace the top of it so that it can be a very clean line. And the only part that I really end up filling in for my eyebrows is just the very tip of it. Everything else is pretty thick on my own eyebrows, so I pretty much leave it, but because I don't like my eyebrows to be super dark. But like I said, this is up to you whether you want to do this step or not. If not, then you can just kind of comb through your eyebrows, or if your eyebrows are good just the way they are, then feel free to skip this step altogether. Now all I'm doing is doing the same exact thing to the other eyebrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just speed through this so that you guys don't have to sit here forever. It's super quick, just do the same exact thing that you did to the first eyebrow to the other. So next I used my primer that I got from MAC, and honestly there's a million different primers out there that will work, but I always love to put a primer on when I'm putting on any type of makeup because it makes sure that my face is ready for whatever I'm going to put on it. Even though I didn't put on a heavy look and I used no foundation during this whole entire look, it just still helps keep my face moisturized throughout the process of putting on makeup and throughout the entire time that I have it on. So like I said, I did not use any foundation for this look. However, I did use some concealer because I do tend to get some dark spots from time to time. So just to give my face a nice clean look, I did use my concealer and put it all over my face, but it's super light just because it's not foundation. Then I used this Kabuki brush that I got from Fenty Beauty, and honestly this was my first time using it and I loved it. It went in so smoothly, it covered everything, and I didn't get any like brush strokes over the concealer. So I just go through my whole entire face and make sure that everything is fully blended in. I didn't even have to use a sponge when I used this, so this was like a really, really great brush. I will definitely be using this more often. So you want to make sure that it's blended all the way in throughout your whole entire face. The next thing I did is I used a darker concealer to add a little bit of color to my face, because I don't know about you guys, but I like to have a little bit of definition in my face. I don't like it to all be one just straight color. I feel like it just gives it more of a makeup look than just, one straight color. So using the same Kabuki brush, I blended that into it. I didn't put a whole bunch because I wanted this to be as natural and as easy of a look as possible. So I really just added a little bit just to add a bit of definition to my face. So next, just to solidify all of the stuff that I put onto my face, I just used a little bit of MAC foundation powder. You can use whatever foundation powder you like. It's just to really bring it all together and to give your face more of a matte look, so that it's not like super shiny, but it's also not so much coverage that it looks like you did a full glam look. So I just went around and covered it with this, and I think that it just brought the whole entire clean face look together. So next I decided to use some eyeliner today. I don't always use eyeliner, but because I wasn't putting on any lashes or anything like that, I just wanted to add a little bit of something to my eyes. I've been looking a little bit tired lately, so I just wanted to add that to kind of give my eyes a little bit more of a bold look and to take away from whatever dark spots I have under my eyes or whatever circles are showing underneath my eyes. You just want to be careful with the eyeliner and make sure it doesn't smudge, so that way it doesn't add to any dark spots or any circles and bags that you already have. So now I wanted to use some mascara. Like I said, I wasn't putting on any lashes today, which normally I would do, but if I was doing a makeup look, but I wanted this to be as natural as possible. And for those who don't like to wear lashes, that is why I chose to do this look today. So it's just adding a little bit to my eyes without having to glue on any lashes or do any of that extra stuff. Y'all, so I love some Carmex or some lip gloss, and because this was a natural look, I wanted to make sure that I did not use any lipstick. I wanted to make sure that I used something as natural as possible. Now you can switch this out with a lipstick if you would like to. It's completely up to you. And as I was looking at my face, I decided to add a little bit of blush. Since it was such a subtle look, I decided why not add a little bit of a rosy look to my cheeks. So the easiest way to do that is to smile and then to get the cheekbones where you're smiling and then blend it in that way. So that was what I was doing right here, just putting it on my cheekbones to add a little bit more color to my face, to give it a little bit of pizzazz, I guess. And then I took that same brush that I used for the powder foundation and I just blended everything out.